Alright, so everybody, I know my boss wants me to make a Patron rap, and so I'm just gonna do a Patron rap for everybody right here. It's another freestyle. I hope you like it, and I think I'm gonna do it on a Ti beat, cause I don't know what other ones to do, but yeah, hopefully you guys like it. So here it goes. Let me put this beat on. All right. Yeah, Patron in my cup, and I don't give a fuck. Chinese people like to eat duck, like to cook it too, 'cause it's good, but not me. I'm from the hood, so I eat chicken. Look at the scenery. What do I see? A bunch of crackheads itching because they're all fiend out on them drugs. But I'm muff diving in some girl's rug. Yeah. What's up? Patron on deck, and I don't give a heck. I got girls kissing me from my toes to my pecs. Y'all wish you could be like me. Well, if you come with me, I don't care, you will see what it's like to be with a real G. Yeah! Playa, 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 playa. You can't fuck around with me. So, drop that jack that you got, and I'll write a check, and I'll pay for what you ain't got. Buy you everything underneath the sun. Then you'll come home, and we'll get things done. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sitting in my bed while this hot chick's giving me head. Yeah, and no, I don't know what to do now. Oh, that's why I got so many hoes. I'm on the phone like calling my hoes like everybody wants to know why I'm so special, why I'm so special. 'Cause I am. You wanna ball, you can't ball. I take all my friends to the mall, buy 'em everything, 'cause I got big bling, 'cause I got money, that motherfucking ching ching. What you want? What you want? I got Patron, and I'm buying bottles by the dozen on my home. I got like 50 tons sitting in my closet, 'cause I bought it, yeah. Now what you want, yeah. Now what you want, yeah. What you want? You want some Patron? I got it. Want some Patron? I got it. Want some Patron? I got it. Yeah. Holla. Whew. All right. There you go. That's a good one. It's only about 2 minutes long, but hopefully that do. Um, you know what? I'll make some more freestyles too. Just send me subjects or whatever you guys want me to rap about or whatever. I will. I'm a freestyler. That's what I do. That's what I do. So, cheers, everybody. I hope you liked the video. And, yeah. Peace out.